Hello guys, just I wanted to tell you this is a last opportunity for you guys because almost 90% seat has been already covered. 90% of the seats had got registered by our students. Only 10% seats are available is right now. So again I am telling you this is the last opportunity for you all. If you wanted to make a career in SAP, don't do the late, otherwise you will lost this opportunity. Just only 10% seats are available here, just only 5 seats are only available because already I told you I will keep it only a 50 guys in a one batch because I don't want to make a huge line or use people of I don't want to collect over this one because there would be a selective guys or selective student where I can 100% give it up, give it my responsibility and give it the 100% focus on that guys. So just only again I am telling you, if you are still thinking, so don't do the late. Only 10% or 5 seats are available here, so don't do the late. If you are thinking here, still thinking, so please join today's join because today it might be a last date of the registration. So don't do the late, just join, do it, hurry up guys, hurry up.